Okay, time for second PMS yung Vespa. It's been 5 months since the last time na pina-PMS to. Now it's 3,501 kilometers na. Last time na pumunta ako doon was parang nasa 1 plus pa lang. Pero sayang, it's due na kasi para ma-avail na rin yung package. So yep, got the booklet. Okay, going there with my kid. Got my balls. Usog. Baka pa. Aray ko, umuwi lang. Okay, so we're here again in Vespa Imos para magpa-PMS. This is the second PMS ng Vespa Sprint S150 namin. So before, I think pina-PMS ko to January ata, before the Vespa Tourism Rally. Now that was parang naka 1,000 plus pa lang noon. Ngayon ilan na ba? 3.5. Okay, so I think same pa rin naman yung gagawin nila. Nothing major papalitan since mababa pa yung milyahe. But I'll let the mechanics do the diagnosis. Wala pa naman sigurong kailangang ayusin dito or linisin. I don't know if they will be cleaning the CVT. But let's see. Hello anak. So yeah, they're doing the pre-check inspection, kung functioning lahat. Tapos the same thing, meron silang checklist para tingnan kung saan may mga scratches, if there's anything that's not working. Nililisan nila before they work on the unit. Okay, sakto yung punta ko, tama yung iniisip ko. Kasi ngayon, 'di ba, sobrang init. I don't think people will travel para magpa-PMS na ganitong oras. Umalis ako ng bahay ng 1:20. We're here at 1:30. So, mag-iisa lang. So, at least masikaso agad. Yun nga lang, ang init ng biyahe as in. Ayan, ito yung loob. Here, panay GT. GT ang nandito ngayon. And here they have the top boxes, original top boxes. Gusto ko talaga to. Ganda eh. Isa lang 3.5 3.8, pero at least legit. Ganda. They have the windscreen, yung front carrier, SIP na bag, and they still have different merchandise like in juice caps. Oh, meron din silang chigi dito. Siguro pag nagka-adventure bed na ako, tsaka ako bibili ng Chigi. Okay, so pinasok na yung unit natin and I did not opt for the upgraded Motul engine oil. So I think Castrol pa rin yung gagamitin nila. The reason being is sayang kasi parang nasa 2,000 lang yung mileage ko every PMS, every scheduled PMS na 5 months. So, tsaka na ako magmamotol siguro kapag tapos na yung warranty period. Para sulit, 'di ba? Pasok ulit tayo sa makasalanang lugar, sa kuweba ng mga accessories nila. Let's see what's new. Okay, so they have the grills. Yan. They have for Primavera, they have for Sprint. Ito may rotor sila, this brake rotor. And ayan, yan na naman siya. Hi. Si Rain.
Nag-vlog na lang pala sa sir.
Here, meron silang disc conversion kit. Siguro in the future. That's 27,000. Tapos, yeah, dito pa rin YSS G series na shocks. That's 16,700. They have OKD. That's 13,200 for the rear, and for the front that's 10,200. Ano pa ba meron sila dito? Meron silang lowered front, that's 10,200 also. Meron silang for LX and S125, mga Bitubo shocks. Sa Bitubo, that's 50,000 for the pair. Ito, ganda rin. Meron silang white na crankcase cover. Oh, white na mags. Tapos, if you're into top of the line na side mirrors, they have high sider here. Meron silang bar end, and meron din sila yung nilalagay sa may standard na thread sa may handlebar. Syempre, di mawawala ang all-ins. All-ins sila, that's 43,900 for the pair. Yan, meron din silang for other motorcycles. They have one for Fazio. Meron silang for Aerox. May pang NMAX. Yeah. And they have different mags. Meron silang Marus. That's 101,000. 11. That's 70,000. And Moss. 46,500. At ayan na naman po si Ate Rain. Meron silang 6 SR.
Anong control number?
Ito, ganda. Fork arm. Tapos, same thing, Malossi kits. You have pulley, they have the spring. What else? If you want foot pegs, they have SIP. Ano ito pangalan nito? There, if you also want to upgrade your brake shoe, here, that's 1,680. Polini na yan. Polini is a well-known brand na ginagamit for Vespas kasi this one is made in Italy. Oh, there. Yan. Nakalagay pala. Made in Italy. Okay, so they have, what else? They have center springs. Meron silang disc brake. Yeah, they have this one. Okay, so meron silang isa fan. This one's from Copper Monkey, may orange, yellow, and pink, and different rear lights for different models. This one's for Primavera and Sprint. This one's for S125. So meron silang yung dark shade, chrome, and this one's the white. Hindi siya talagang pure white, parang siyang creamy something. And they have headlights here. Tune. So different styles there. And this one. Meron din gauge na SIP there. Okay, this one's yung arm para sa brake. Tama ba? Yeah. Tapos yeah, rear lights. Tapos yan, meron silang mga brake levers. Hindi masyado kita. Yan. Meron adjustable here. This one's adjustable. Tapos grip levers again. The horn cover. Yung mga JS Manuf na parts. This one's mga Brembo calipers. Single piston. This one's dual. Meron din silang reservoir and Brembo brake levers, rotors, and mga covers, mga accessorize your or personalize your Vespa. And ito, mga Magus parts. This one is a dipstick and another cover. And meron din silang Malossi na belt. That's 2,800. This one's for S125. This one's for GTS 52. Tapos what else do they have here? Air filter. That's 1,050. Ito, brake shoe ng Malossi. And brake pads. And of course, may horn. Yeah. At ito yung medyo tsaka na talaga in-enjoy ko pa yung stock. What they have here is a Remus na exhaust. That's 30,250. Meron silang Acra. So lang, ating makita yung presyo. Meron silang Remus na dual. And they have Malossi exhaust. This one's for GTS 300. It's 35,800. And Malossi again. No, this way. Yeah, this one's Malossi. Isa is Polini. Ito, Polini. Polini nila is 35,200. Ito yung mga bags na Marus. Last, tinignan natin sa loob kanina. Ganda ng gold nila. Tsaka nitong parang gunmetal. Ito, sobrang gandang-ganda ako dito. Tapos, yeah, they have the red one. 101 ata ito. And they have B. Rossi mags for S125. There we go. Wala masyadong display. I think they're almost sold out. Ang meron dito is GTS, GT, GTV, and they have one S125 here na black. Tapos if I heard them right kanina, may pila. So if you wanna purchase here, may you have to pay a reservation fee, tas pipila ka. parang pang 7 ata, or nakaka-6 na yung nasa waiting list. Here. Dito sa labas, merong may-ari to. Definitely naka-setup na to. And this one, setup na rin, may-ari na yan. This one, I think this is new kasi may cover pa. Tapos they also sell here tires. Not familiar with this one, Manhattan, but they have Mitas. They have Pirelli na Angel. May 120, 70, 10. So this is for mga S125. Ito mga pang GT and Prima and Sprint, mga 130, 70, 12. This one's for S125 kasi by 11 siya, 110, 70 by 11. And yung mga Angel nila, they have Diablo Rosso. So 120, 70, 12 and 130, 70, 12. Wala silang 110. And they just check the tire pressure. Nagdagdag sila. At least diba, kusa na. Yung iba kasi makikiusap pa na baka pwedeng hanginan. At least dito sa kanila all out service, kusa na nilang nilalagyan kung if it's not fit for their standards. Ayan, sakto hindi pa ako naglinis ng motor kasi kasama naman sa PMS nila na yung pagmo-motor wash. So, I think pati yung loob nilinisin nila. Sakto lang kasi grabe na, ang dumi. Ayan, see, ang dumi na niyan. So, buti na lang. Yeah, I think kasama sa lilinisin nila. Diba? Ito yung kinaganda sa Vespa. Maraming all-in package sila, all-in yung pag-aasikaso. It's really worth it. Yung premium na binayaran mo when you purchase the unit. Ayan, mini spray siya. Ano yung spray mo, kuya? Degreaser. Tapos safe naman basahin lahat yan, okay, low. Kasi nag-aalangan ako nun pag ako naglilinis. Hindi ko binabasahin. Diba? Yan. Yung degreaser, tapos tsaka nila sasabunin and then wash. So, linis talaga. Sa iba, magkano babayaran mo para magpa-motor wash? Sa amin, nasa between 80 to 100. Dito, kasama na. Yan. Nakatikim din ng ligo.
May mga bago dito, sir.
Pwede ko ulit iuwi yung yung tira.
Opo, sir. Sabihin na namin kay, dito pa po. Then ito, sir, proceed tayo kay Ma'am Rain.
Okay. Sige.
So, kunin ka
Si Rain na naman. Bayad na naman.
Bayarin na naman.
Oo, correct. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Bayarin.
Thank you, sir.
Sige, Rain. Thank you. Bye-bye. Anak, let's go. Ba, bilis lang, no? Gawa ka mo muna yan.
Ito dito.
Yeah, good.
Sir, thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Salamat, salamat. Quality service. Kuya, anong ideal na tawag dito, tire pressure dito?
Ang standard po ano sir, 26-29.
Okay.
Pero pwede po rin magtaas kung mag-aangas po kayo.
Okay. Sa likod lang.
Extra 2830.
2830. Okay, so they did the mandatory diagnosis. That's through PADS. That's the Piaggio Advanced Diagnostic System. So ang diagnosis nila, they ran it through the OBD. Tapos so everything's here, lahat ng details. Kung yung system, anong, they have a specific ID for what kind of model. This one's for Vespa Sprint 150, made in Vietnam. Tapos yeah, they have the ECU information, and they have the final diagnosis there. Okay, so no error present, it's good. No problem with the engine. So it was diagnosed at 3,505 kilometers. And kung sino yung nag-asikaso. Okay. There. So we're done with the second PMS. Same pa rin yung binayaran. Still 1,540. See? Kasama ng bike wash. Walang binayaran. Wala rin binayaran sa diagnosis through PADS. Free din ang inspection ng brake system, checking ng electrical system and battery, tire pressure, center stand, brake levers, everything. It was checked. Kasama na siya sa binabayaran natin dito. There. So yeah, again, ang binayaran lang is, hold on, kasi engine oil 550, 550, 11 offset. So ito binayaran to, yung gear oil, it's 2 pieces na gear oil. Ano pa bang binayaran dito? The labor and miscellaneous, yun lang. Everything here is offset. Naka-offset yung O-ring, naka-offset yung oil filter, naka-offset yung engine oil. Okay, so all good. Going. Let's go, anak. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye na, anak.
Bye po. Bye-bye.
Yan, parang bago na ulit. There. Second PMS done. Thank you. Vespa Imos. Fantastic talaga yung customer service nila dito. So, we'll be back soon.